The engine check warning lamp is available in all modern cars, and it may illuminate, especially when a car becomes old. If the engine check warning lamp illuminates when the engine is running, this indicates a malfunction. The engine will continue to run, but it will have limited power. With the engine check warning lamp illuminating, we can drive the car, but at a very slow limited speed. One should check this problem as soon as possible at the car authorized service center. But sometimes the engine check warning lamp illuminates in a car during cold weather, especially during morning hours, and disappears after the car engine get warmer, or till we restart the engine after a few seconds or a minute. When the engine check warning lamp illuminates during a cold weather, one need not worry about it, since it is a small problem and can be solved easily. If one cannot do it by himself, then it is better to call a car mechanic who can easily clean the sensor, which becomes dirty, and send the signal to the car to illuminate the engine check warning lamp. I am sharing a small video how to solve this small problem, which one can do it at home. At first, open the lock of the pipe, as can be seen in the video. On taking a closer look, we can see carbon on the sides, which send signals, especially during cold weather, to illuminate the engine check warning lamp. To clean it, take a clean cloth and dip it in petrol and wipe out the carbon from inside, as can be seen in the video. After it is properly cleaned up, lock it properly and check it in the morning hours during a cold weather, and you won't see the engine check warning lamp illuminating during a cold start during a very cold winter weather. Please note, if the engine check warning lamp is illuminating for some other serious engine related problems, then this solution will not work, and it will be better to take the car to the nearest service center. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.
অফ করে দিলাম, অফ করে রাখলে।